Hey guys, welcome from Paris. We are in Montmartre area, and we are gonna stop into this place that Nicole found for some gluten-free eats called Lennox. All right, the menu. So a lot of gluten-free options here. And the wine list. Show you some of these prices so you guys can understand. And we got a beautiful view looking out. All right, guys. Nicole went with an appetizer, a lightly poached egg. Beautiful. And starter, look at that. Oh, wow. All right, we have the pork loin mignon with allspice au jus on here, gingerbread crumbs, and then the Parmesan risotto. Oh, that looks so good. All right, that place was really good, guys. Great job, Nicole, for finding another top spot around the world.
Be skinny again.
Yes, you will. You are skinny. But I do recommend anywhere you probably go here, anywhere in Europe, for that matter of fact, definitely do reservations, because we saw several people that walked in there and they got turned away. So the guy runs it all by himself, so he's a busy guy, and I think there's only about 10 tables in the place. Anyways, check that place. I'll leave a link below. Check them out.